Hi everybody, it's Nick here. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a fantastic 2021 so far. Now, my goal for this year is to help more people become a boss of their reality. Coincidentally enough, I've got my Like a Boss mug today, which I just noticed as I sat down to shoot this video. But in this video, we're talking about Law of Attraction Action Plan, more specifically, a vibrational action plan. People often talk about the importance of alignment when it comes to law of attraction, and alignment is always the first step. That's the first thing you want to look at when it comes to law of attraction success. However, what a lot of people don't realize or understand is the difference between alignment and vibration. So, alignment is your level of connectivity between you and your inner being, you and the universe, you and the non physical. So, the more you are in alignment, the stronger your intuition gets, the more you get inspired impulses, the more you unlock that delicious mechanism of synchronicity. That's what alignment does. But when it comes to creating your reality, when people ask me, Nick, how do I manifest what I want? What you need to look at is vibration, because your vibration is what defines your physical reality experience. So let me give you an example as to why you need to look at your vibration and not just alignment. So let's say you're an entrepreneur and you're launching a business and you've got 5 potential businesses you could launch and you're trying to figure out which one is going to drive success. Well, here's the thing. If you're at the vibration of failure, it doesn't matter which one of those businesses you choose. It doesn't matter what actions you take. The end result of the one you choose from that vibration of failure is going to be failure. Now, if you're at the vibrational set point of success, doesn't matter which one you choose because the end result is going to be success. So, manifesting what you want is never about the actions that you take. It's about the underlying vibration that you're practicing that's going to define the results. Here's an example for relationships. If you're at the vibration of the expectation of being cheated on, doesn't matter where you find that relationship, it doesn't matter who you attract, the end result is going to be being cheated on. If you're practicing the feeling or the vibration of abandonment, same thing. Doesn't matter where you find that person or who you attract, the end result is going to be abandonment. Now, if you're practicing a vibration where you love yourself, you have positive expectations about relationships, you feel safe about relationships, then that's what your relationship is going to reflect back to you. So it's never about the actions that you're taking in your physical reality. It's about the vibrations that you're practicing in those actions. So if you want to be successful at creating the reality that you want, that's why you need to look at vibration. So, vibrational action plan. So, on the collective live call last week, I took my 500 members through a process to help them create their personal vibrational action plan. That was a 90-minute call. I'm not going to go through all of that in this video. The links to that recording is in the description. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through kind of the 3 key nuggets, the 3 important steps that I went through with all of them in more detail on that call. So the first step, the first thing you need to do is you need to identify the vibrational set points that match your desire. So if you're looking for a relationship, what vibration does the version of me in that relationship practice? Okay. So first it's identifying the gap between who you are and that version of you who has that desire and identifying what those vibrational set points are. The second step is then embodying those set points at the mental, emotional, and physical level. In the exercise that I did with the collective, I told them 15 minutes on each. So what you want to do for your vibrational practice every day, ideally first thing in the morning, you want to spend 15 minutes practicing those vibrational set points at the mental level, at the emotional level, and the physical level. You can do them all together for 45 minutes. You can break them out throughout the day when you have time. That's up to you. But you want to spend a minimum of 15 minutes a day on those 3 set points. And then the last action step is being mindful when you take action, what vibration you are practicing. So for example, if you're looking for a relationship, on your quest for that relationship, what vibration are you practicing? If you're starting a business, are you practicing the vibration of success or are you practicing the vibration of failure? Something that I share often in that collective is that you can't build an effortless business by practicing effort. Those are two different vibrations. If you're practicing effort, the end result can only match that set point of effort. So you need to be extremely mindful of your vibration. So I hope this was useful for you today. I hope this is going to help you become more of a boss of your reality. I'm going to share a lot more of this stuff on my channel this year. I'm going to be way more active. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. And in the meantime, let me know. I'd love to know what's at the top of your manifestation list. What is it that you want to manifest this year? Drop a comment below. Let me know. And maybe also let me know if you've got a vibrational action plan that you can implement as well. So I hope this was good for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in some more videos this year. Bye for now.